Today I'm gonna show you how to train to achieve muscle up. To achieve muscle up. So first of all, in order to train for muscle up, you basically have to do at least 10 or more pull-ups. 15 would be like absolutely great if you can do 15 pull-ups, because then you for yourself will be easier to progress in the next progression. So second step is you have to pull up as higher as you can. So it looks like this. So when you pull up, you just little bit go like off the bar, looks like this, and the higher you go, the better it is for to progress the next step, which is like jumping pull-ups. So close grip, wide grip, close grip, wide grip, and it will train for your back and forearms and biceps as well, obviously. So third exercise, no, it's fourth exercise.
I can't count.
Fourth exercise is you have to like when you're ready, obviously, because these when you train in these exercises, it's like time, like weeks maybe or 1 month, I don't know. But next exercise, when you're ready, you have to do like pull-ups, like jump pull-up and clap your hands. Looks like this. And when you're ready for next exercise, when you are doing like this, when you're including this exercise in your workout, then fifth step is like pull up, like you jump and arms like straight away. So what these all exercises does is like second exercise. When you pull up as higher as you can, it makes easier to make up muscle. For example, if you can do like this high, this high, then it'll be easier to do pull muscle, because then it's all you have to do is like push. Yeah, you have to just next exercise is like you are doing a jumping, clap your hands, and that these all exercises help you to get more explosive, get more power, because you have to. The higher you like jump in the air, the stronger you get. So when these, about the deep exercise. This is like very necessary you to do just do like bar dips, but on one bar do like, if you don't have like strong triceps, I really suggest you to work on those, because it's very, when you're up you have to like on your triceps push. So do all these exercises and do like also like slow, like it calls negative muscle up, when you go like slow as you can. It basically helps you faster to get your muscle up done. So yeah, work on these exercises, and and then final, of course, when you will do like the first muscle up, you probably won't get it in like one, like with like both hands. So it's okay for the beginning, but you have to try as fast as you can to get like with both hands. So I suggest you for the beginning, like do like come like a little bit here, like jump to the bar, and with the momentum, it's very easy. You like jump ahead of you, like this, pull your head so forwards, and you feel like that momentum comes at you, like you go forwards, and when you go backwards, instantly just start pushing you up, because it will be very easy to you go up. And yeah, and like when you go to like first muscle up like this, like one arm, or like with like a momentum, both arms, then you will be very fast. You will very fast learn like with both hands. It's like couple like days, or maximum of like 1 week. And yeah, just work on your get these exercises in all of your workouts, and like each exercise do like 4 sets, and break and like do like not maximum repetition, but like for example do like 7, then you have to do all like 4 sets to like 7 reps. So, and break between, it's like 30-40 seconds between sets. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and share, subscribe, like, comment what you want to see in next like video. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and peace.